And welcome back to my channel. I'm always asked how I make my barbecue chicken. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see that I make barbecue chicken at least once a week for my family. So today I just decided to share with you guys this basic recipe that I use. I use it all the time. My family loves it. It's super yummy. And this is actually not boneless, but skinless chicken thighs. You can use it for chicken wings, chicken breasts, drumsticks, whatever you have on hand, and it turns out absolutely amazing. Even party size wings. You can definitely make it with whatever type of chicken works for you and your family. But stay tuned and we will make this absolutely yummy baked barbecue chicken.